started getting crazy amount of breakouts, and these have actually helped me out. That's the reason I'm sharing it with you all. Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and if this is the first time you're seeing my face, hi, my name is Akshita. I make beauty, makeup, skincare as well as nail art tutorials, lifestyle and cooking videos in this channel. So after you're done watching this video, if you find this video helpful and if you really like my content, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red subscribe button which is down below and make that button gray. And there will be a bell icon right next to the subscribe button. Click on the bell, select all to make sure you get all the notifications every time I upload a video like this. And also you can follow me in my other social media accounts. I have already left all the links down below in the bottom bar, so make sure you head over there and check me out over there as well, and you can connect with me over there. And also if you have any future video suggestion or any feedback that you want to share with me or anything that you want to share in general with me, please go ahead and leave that in the comment section down below. I'll make sure I'll reply to you over there. And yes, so let's come to today's video. So what we're going to do today is I'll give you a brief about what today's video is going to be about. Then we'll come to today's video itself. So what happens is during this pandemic, when we started wearing masks for long hours, my skin, especially the skin, the area on my skin where the mask gets the friction most from the mask itself, this area itself started getting crazy amount of breakouts. And I have my anti-acne skincare kits, everything from different brands, and I know which works for me whenever I have one or two breakout. But my skin never used to break out this much. It used to do when I was a teenager, but after that, throughout these years, I never faced this issue. But with wearing mask, I think which the internet has named is as maskne or mask acne, it has happened with me as well, and I never found it out that it was actually for using mask. I actually on Instagram I was talking to few of my fellow beauty bloggers, and they were also complaining about the same, that they were facing having acne on this on their jawline and on these areas on their cheeks. So it's actually occurred to me, and I pointed it out to them that is it because you're wearing mask. So they were also shocked and they were like, might be. And then it's actually struck in my mind that this must be the case, because otherwise I thought that I was sick and I was taking heavy medication. Due to the medication it happened with me, but then it cannot happen to almost all beauty bloggers, right, in the beauty community. So there must be something to do with wearing mask for long hours during this pandemic. So as it occurred to me, I wanted to make this video for a very long time now, but something or other came up, and also there is a huge announcement that I want to make, and obviously today's video is not about that. I will make a separate video on it. If you want to know what that announcement is going to be, please stay tuned and follow my channel, subscribe to my channel, and make sure the notification bell is on so that you'll know whenever I upload that video. And yes, so I could not do that throughout these weeks and actually 2 months. Then I saw one of my favorite beauty blogger, Jovita. She uploaded her video on the same issue itself, that is on how to deal with mask acne or maskne. I really want to give a shout out to her, because although I was thinking about it and I never actually got the chance to make the video during these days, but she has actually done that. Make sure after watching my video you head over to her channel and watch her video as well, because it's very informative, and I got some tips from her video itself for myself, and I have implemented on myself itself. So it's a very nice video, and if you have not discovered her channel yet, so please go ahead and check out her video. So what I wanted to say in this video is, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. there is a lot of my friends as actually they have also faced the same issue, and they came up to me because whenever they need some skincare advice, it's just me they come up to, and they actually told me and requested me, please go ahead and make a video on it, because they all thought that it is just happening with them. They were not aware it is for the mask wearing situation, and there are a lot of people who are facing the same issue. So I thought that okay, I have waited enough and I have finally got time to go ahead and make this video, and it's high time I should make this video for all of you guys out there. So what I'm going to do in this video today is, it was a long intro by the way, but I wanted to make sure I make myself clear why I'm making this video and what this video is all about, because there is a possibility most of you even don't know what is mask acne or maskne. So I don't know if that's even a word, but came to me as well that if it's happening for the mask wearing situation, so that's the reason we're calling it like that. So let's come to the video itself. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to share my top 5 tips how you can actually prevent from having maskne and from on your face itself, and you can actually save your skin from having this mask acne. And if you want to see how bad my skin has reacted to this mask wearing situation, I'll leave a shot of me over here of my bare face so that you can see how bad the situation has become. And yes, with using all these tips and by incorporating these, I have actually thought about it for a very long time, and these have actually helped me out. That's the reason I'm sharing it with you all, so that you guys can also incorporate these small tips. These are nothing like nothing crazy, nothing major, but these are very smart small tips which is going to help you out if you wear mask on daily basis, and if your skin is actually getting reacted to it, and if you want to save your skin. So yeah, I hope the shot of my skin you have already seen. There is nothing to be ashamed about, because we all have good skin days and bad skin days. So it's just skin, and I love myself the way I am, so there's nothing to hide, and that's the reason I wanted to share the shot of my bare skin over here. I hope you have seen it. And now let's come to the video itself. The very first step that I have for you guys, it is to do with the mask itself, but how you choose your mask. So I'll tell you, from the beginning I was gravitating towards the mask which were like the medical team who were like they were suggesting to use it, like the people from medical background, like the N95, you have heard these terms, right? The surgical ones, everything. So what happened is, there are actually some N95 I have come across, because now there are various types of masks that they have. I'll tell you, first I'll suggest you to go ahead and grab mask and use masks which are actually made of cotton. Even if the outer layer which is facing the environment is not cotton, it's fine, but the layer which is actually touching your face, the layer inside, the yeah, I hope you're getting me, like the layer inside which is actually getting your touching your face, that layer should be made of cotton. And there are if you're thinking that cotton masks are not safe, so there are actually many brands which are reputed brands, big brands, which are coming up with cotton masks, but they have even 6-layer protection inside of the cotton barrier. So in that way, obviously you are keeping yourself safe from the virus, as well as you're keeping your skin healthier. Because what happens is, if doesn't matter, even if you're not at all like comfortable using a cotton mask, I'll suggest you, even if you gravitate towards the surgical or N95 ones, always take the mask and just touch it. Do not buy it just like that. Touch it inside of it and just see if you feel any friction on your skin or not. You can even touch it like on your jawline and see, because whenever you're applying it for long hours and you are talking wearing it, right? So what happens is, while your jaw is moving, it gets the friction on this area most. Due to that friction only, the gets inflamed, and that's what happened with me, because it was just one breakout here or there, then it started like crazy. I know you have seen the photo already. What happened, it started spreading like crazy, and I have no clue that why it was happening. I was already sick, and I was doing the least, like the smallest possible skincare routine, because it was not possible for me to do a whole skincare regimen while was not well at all. So I really, my skin got freaked out after using mask for long hours. The mask I used to use, because they were N95 ones, and which did not have a padding or soft barrier inside. It protected me, obviously, touch wood, but it did not protect my skin. My skin got it very bad. So what happened is, I'll tell you. As soon as I got the inflammation over here, it got spread out even on my forehead as well, because from one pimple, if it increases and if it gets touched, the sebum and the germ itself, it gets, you will get pimple all around that area as well. So in that way, it has spread like crazy. But I'm really glad that after using these tips, I have been able to stop the crazy breakouts. Now I am just left with the scarring that I have to deal with. I know how to deal with it, so I will get rid of them with a good skincare routine. And I'm happy that those breakouts have stopped with these tips. So let's come to our second tip now. Second tip is, I think, the most important one among the 5. I mean, all of them are important, but the second one is, keep your skin moisturized before you wear your mask. And by moisturizing, I don't mean that you slather on oil on your skin before going out of your house or wearing mask. In that way, your skin will actually attract more pollution and germs and more dust from the air, and it will get stuck on your on your pores, and it will clog your pores. You don't want that. Keep your oil, facial oil and everything saved for your night skincare routine. You can apply it just before going to bed, but when you're going out of your house, use a moisturizer which actually moisturizes your skin. Even if it gets a gel type, it's a normal cream type, whatever your skin needs, you must be knowing that by now. Whatever your skin is actually habituated with, but you just make sure that it provides the level of moisturization that your skin needs. Your skin should not feel strippy or dry after you apply your moisturizer, just after a few hours. It has to, you have to feel comfortable while laughing, while your cheeks are actually, it should not feel stretchy. In that manner, you know that your skin is doing okay. So if you apply moisturizer, what happens is, whenever you get the friction, with the mask, the moisturizer level will actually work as a barrier, and it will save your skin from the excessive friction to some extent, and in that way it will save your skin. I hope you're getting the science behind it. So I'll come to the third step, that is, do not wear makeup underneath your mask. At least do not wear it where the mask is covering your face. And if you're not sure what I'm talking about, I'll link my video of it was actually a mask friendly makeup tutorial that I've done already on my channel. If you haven't watched that already, you'll get the idea after watching that video. Go ahead and watch it. I'll leave the link down below in the bottom bar as well as in the eye icon, so you can watch the video after you're done watching this one. So yeah, that was my third tip. My fourth tip is again something to do with the mask. Always wear a clean mask. Make sure that whenever you're wearing a mask and you're going out and you're coming back home, you toss that mask away. Like if it's a use and throw one, if it's a cotton one, and if it's a reusable one, wash it. Wash it just after one use. Do not hang it up. Do not store it in a container to use it up on the very next day. Don't do it. Wash it after one use. Otherwise, what happens is, as I just told you, do not wear makeup. Do not and wear the moisturizer and moisturize your face. What happens is the skincare products that you apply, your lip balm and everything, also make sure you hydrate your lips as well, guys. Otherwise, with the friction, your lips actually get very chapped with the mask, with the friction that happens. So you wear your mask. After you open your mask, you might be seeing, if you have worn a tinted lip balm, a residue of a tint will be there on your mask. If you have worn lipstick, obviously it will stain your mask. And if you have worn makeup, full-fledged foundation and everything, obviously you will get, doesn't matter how long wearing your foundation is, let's be real, guys, no makeup is bulletproof. You will get residue of foundation on inside of your mask. And if you just keep it like that and to wear it on the next day, by the next day, the time we are wearing it, it will be anyway a breeding ground of new bacteria, which is absolutely for sure going to cause more breakouts on your skin. You don't want that. So make sure after you come back home, toss your mask to the washing machine or just wash it with your hands, and then wear the clean mask the very next day. Got it? Now let's come to our very last tip that I want to share with you. That is, use a skincare routine which is actually very hydrating on your skin but very light. Do not use any product, be it makeup, be it skincare, any product on your face where you're facing the issue. Do not use any product which you know might clog your pores. Always read the labels, guys. I always tell this to you. Read the labels. Be aware what you're applying on your face. Read the label. If the product says it's non-comedogenic, then you're good to go. If it doesn't, see the ingredients, Google it. You have Google in front of you. You have beauty YouTubers. What's their reviews? See if it has good reviews, if they have claimed it has clogged their pores and caused even more breakout or not. Because there is a possibility that for any new skincare routine, or you have just started, or any skincare product you have just started using, that has caused 1 or 2 acne, and the mask wearing situation has even aggravated it. There's a possibility. So make sure you're using a product which is not adding up to the already you having acne, not actually adding the number of acne that you're having on your face, which is very light, just providing the right amount of goodness to your skin but not greasiness, not clogging your pores. Also, what you can do, just a quick bonus tip from my end, is you can actually incorporate sleeping mask into your night skincare routine. If you haven't ever used any sleeping mask yet, this is the right time to do so. Pamper your skin till the time you're at home, and trust me, even after wearing long hours of mask, your skin will be thankful to you. In that manner, the more you pamper your skin, the skin will give it back to you by being healthy. Even if you are not sure about sleeping mask, and if you do not want to purchase a sleeping mask, or do not want to invest, I would say not purchase, invest is the right word, because I always say skincare is an investment. Invest on any sleeping mask. What you can do is you can actually go ahead and apply a good quality of facial oil. If you're not sure which facial oils are good for your skin as per your skin type and skin need, you can actually contact me on my social media accounts or through comment section. I would love to help you out with whatever little knowledge that I have. You can actually use the facial oils during night time. After you're done with your nighttime skincare routine, use the facial oil or the face I almost blanked out. Okay, so the sleeping mask on your face or the facial oil on your face as the very last step of your skincare routine. Use it and then go to sleep. And then the very next morning you will see a radiant and a glow on your skin. And it's if you use the right product, obviously, as per your skin needs. So these were the small tips that I wanted to share with you guys. That is going to help you out if you're facing the mask acne for wearing mask for a long time. Even if you're not facing the issue, you can actually incorporate these tips into your daily lives to make sure, because prevention is always better than cure, make sure your skin is actually healthy and it is not going to break out for wearing mask. Also, if you are at home, you're not going out, still you can incorporate these tips. Apart from the tips, two tips with which had to do with mask, just incorporate the normal three tips that I shared for your skincare. It is anyway going to help your skin out. So this particular video and these tips are all anyway a win-win situation for all of you, and I hope this video was helpful to you. What I'm planning to do is I'm planning to make another video, a part 2 video of this, where if you want me to go ahead and make that video, please let me know that in the comment section, where I can go ahead and share my product recommendation for to deal with this mask acne situation, which is actually going to stop your active breakouts and also going to help you out to get rid of the scarring that you have already got. So if you are really interested to see this video, that particular part 2 of the video where I'm going to show you the product recommendation to deal with mask acne, do let me know that in the comment section, and I would love to make that video for you. And if you have any further suggestion, you can also let me know that in the comments as well. I would love to check it out and make that video for you. If you have any feedback, you can also let me know that in the comment section. And you can, as I already told you, connect with me in my other social media accounts. I have already left all the links down below in the bottom bar. And yes, if you really enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you, I know it's a long chatty video, but I wanted to incorporate as much tips as I could in the video. I hope this helped you out in any way, and if it did, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also do subscribe to my channel, guys. Take a moment and make that red subscribe button which is down below, hit that button, make that gray, and also there will be a bell icon right next to the subscribe button. Click on the button, select all. Make sure you get all the notifications every time I upload a video like this. So I'll see you next time. Till then, you all stay safe, take care, bye bye.